Never. Tony matterhorn. Never. Right? This I've got to address. A lot of people see what going on one here with Spice, right? And a lot of people say Spice have the right to live our life. Everybody have the right to live their life. Bear that in mind, I just want every single Jamaican here understand this. You see, as a normal citizen of Jamaica, in the Geneva Valley, right? You can live your life however you choose, right? But there's a difference when you're a Jamaican who carry the blood clot flag and the badge. Flag. You understand? The badge. You understand what I say? Straight. For those who don't understand, a police officer, he has his family, right? He has his wife, his kids. True. A personal life that. Okay. But if a police officer who represents the state does something outside of the law, what they do? Why they penalize him more? Because you carry the badge. Right. So any little normal Jamaicans want to say, you can do so. But when you represent the culture, Jamaica, you cannot do certain things that are done in my life. So in your life, use your thing and get big. What we lose? The fucking culture and get big, right? So that means, I know you get big, and the culture you use and get big. Okay? So that means you're supposed to uphold the culture. Okay? Am I wrong? Every boy like y'all, like in the blood clot business, like business steal you, and you feel like you're going to get the culture, so come over. No apology! What is that? What is that? I'm But you have to understand, there's levels to things. True. You say I represent our country, so we know people come and follow him, and don't let switch and go to one door. They can do that. But when you're an ambassador for our culture, you have to act as an ambassador. So good night, people. Pick up yourself and live your life. Try to live good. The car is good. The gear is good. I'm not here to do something. I'm not what I said. Someday I'm going to live. You don't want to stop Jamaica to the one of fire and beg for some people. Come on, Friday the 13th of March. We have a blood clot like myself Monday to Friday.
Me and your bridging over the years, see? And you know, like how me know, say, you cannot win this one, you know. I could have said a million things already, you know. And me can. All me I say is, Spice, you know, people tend to all the time try to act as if they have some dirt on footahype, or them have some form of information where them have to pull out, or them have some tea where them want to spill, you understand? Me, I am so confident in myself. I know that they don't have any dirt on me. Okay? So that's why you see them a scrape and a pick and a do all kind of thing. See? We have 1,300 people on the live right now. It is not my wish. See? Black the person, yeah? Shanice Tamika. Well, I'm black her. It's not my wish, see, to beef or have a war with Spice. It's good to me have this. I don't wish to have beef with this lady. I do not wish for me and her to go to the lengths of where she is pushing it to go. But everybody who I follow, who they on fair side or my side or whichever side they on, it's obvious that she have a personal problem with me. You understand what I'm saying? Because me say the same thing where Sizzler say. She not answer Sizzler. She try to joke it off with Sizzler. See? Me say RT boss deal with her wicked. And she not answer. So obviously she have a problem with me. And she want to prove a point with me. I am going to, for those who never there, see? I never know what go on. May I go read when me did post first. No, oh shit. I forgot to them report that page there. And nothing when me say, me not disrespect that lady, right? Oh, see it here? When I want to know, listen back when me say, see? Because we're going to be as fair as possible. See? We're going to be as fair as possible. Because I deal with a female and she have kids. Yeah? So we want to deal with it as respectable as possible and as understanding as possible. Because our son, Nicholas, and our daughter, Tai Tai, have a future. And I don't want to be the one to really make them have certain impression of them old ladies. See? So, yeah man, I don't live now, I don't worry about that. A hotel me now. You know you have to have money for living in a hotel, so we are right with that. This is what I posted. And listen to me very carefully. And people want to tell me if me wrong. See? See? In all my 20 years as an established product of Jamaica and dancehall and reggae music, this is the first time I feel completely defeated, ashamed, embarrassed, weak, betrayed. In my subconscious mind, I was confident that two people I would never live to see do this was Spice Official and at Ground Godzilla. See? This now drives a serious fear in my consciousness that all hope is lost. This submission to the devil has become the new thing for dancehall artists, the new norm for our culture based on what I see going is that moral values are no longer important. The only thing that matters is money. The preservation of our music, culture and righteous values don't count. Honestly, on the name of the Almighty, I was banking on hope that no matter what, at Spice Official would never give in to something like this. I guess I was dead wrong. This is a big L for the ancestors of Jamaica and the music given to us by the Almighty. Money has officially poisoned and crippled our industry. Well, maybe this is a band show. If not, would be sad that Spice Official wouldn't consider the well-being and career of her DJ after this. Shame or kill me, God no. What me despise that's all? More somebody tell me if which part in this me diss her. Like which part in this me diss her? Cause everybody else say you diss her. Oh me diss her. I mean hear some people say me this bounty killer. How? I say them are the two people them where me never expect to hear nothing like this from. Me never say killer do nothing like that. You understand? So we're in this conversation me this her. When another something me this her. What the raggedy me say? Yes sir. Me I try understand you know. Oh, me a stop her bag. Only now get it. Where is the disrespect? If Spice come out and I go so hard, she not pay nobody else to say nothing on mine. This morning me post the video with Matterhorn. I speak or him feel. She not answer Matterhorn either. So it look like she have some secret for me. So she go so bam and she go 24 hours to apologize and blah 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 blah. She and her little minions them. She and the little doodle family go make them report and them this man come a page for a couple hours. And the ancestors them go for my page and free up back my page. So big up the ancestors them. Righteousness shall forever live. See? So what me I say is now. When I go say me unfair now when me go up on fair level. More you see, because it's a female and it's a mother, that's why me a go so. See? So when now she come out with a disrespectful thing, like I know me not this you know. Me say me disappointed, me embarrassed, she shouldn't take the bookings, I mean not change that, I mean not apologize for that. That can never change. See? All know, you know. Me no disrespect her, you know. Remember, me could have said a million things already, you know. And me can Spice know say me know her from Wappy Kill Philo. See? Me know her long donkey years ago. Me know about Newland and Neagle and the wholesale and it. Me know everything. I can talk about it. I've never done that. Now she put up post. I was thinking for her. Me think of something serious here coming. Then she go, you wear clothes where a Batman clothes. Let's all be very intelligent here. See? If one person upon a life, one can tell me when in your life and you're born, see, or before you're born, or your parents before them born, if you ever see a piece of clothes anywhere in any store, anywhere in the world, where say gay shirt, or if you ever see a pants where say this pants is built for gays, it has never happened. These people survive in our world. Me hear people talk about for them world. Them not in a world. If them no make the clothes for straight people, them then can't make no money. Zine, tell them so if you make some clothes now and put in a store them and say, Doodoo apparel. And say these are for Doodoo people. You understand what I say? Okay. You know me not really like talk behind people back. On the tag Spice. Tag Spice. Tag her. Tag Spice. Remember me and Spice are the brethren, good friend. Me and her never have a bad day. On the tag her for me. Tag her for me now. Tag Spice. Me know she over here watch, but she watch from a different page, right? More you tag her. When you tag her, make she come with a real page. Yeah, please. Wait upon her. I want to talk to her and find out what the real issue she have with Foota, because it can't be what I say, because I not this her all now. And before I start this her, I want to try understand what she deal with. Because you know me, you know. Me bear something long until them push the wrong button, you know. We see it happen more than one time already, you know. Big name entertainers feel like, okay, we can style Foota because we have more followers and we have more money than him. Cannot. You cannot this Foota. Cannot happen. Who not say leave the lady? Me know this her all now. She violate the code of the culture. And I say what I feel. Respectfully say what I feel. And she gone all over the place and style the thing. So I like, we not tag her. Because me not like chat behind people back. Book time busy way. Me book too. Up on the road, me didn't work, me work. I work all the way I work. She have her phone, man. She can't join the live, man. No, me just a straightforward youth, you know. More, you know. But I like she just join the live and way. Cause not for her dare me. Cause not for her hypocrite, you know. When you over spice and I say, when I beat Foota, when I over yes and I beat spice and thing. And then when I me DM I say, Foota don't do that with the bigger person. So make me and her reason how to think now. And anything she want to talk, she talk. And anything me want to talk, me talk. Cause me just a level playing field, you know. Me just want, anywhere she bring it, me can bring it. She step up the disrespect them, I go step up my own them. Cause me have whole heap of things. Ammunition, enough over here. You see me? So, I wish you deal with me, I deal with. Oh, are the light skin thing on Shensia? Alright. Okay. I'm glad me have this in now. Because when I say the light skin thing, right? So that means me have this, alright? Alright. When you say the light skin thing, right? So, when you ready now? Because that's why you have them something, you know. Them call evidence. So if me did this, I would accept some of this. Listen to this. I say, Foota music, look, you see it? Everything when I read, there so. I say, don't try the wrong and strong thing. At Spice Official, give them back the money, find excuse, you're not broke. See? Me know it hurts, say the international market. Now give you the respect and glory where you deserve. Listen what me say now. Because me don't know how you pick up this as a diss. It show you how illiterate people is, and she even 10 times more illiterate if you follow Uno and say somebody this her. Read it over again. See? Don't try the wrong and strong thing. At Spice Official, give them back the money. Find excuse. You're not broke. Me know it hurt. Say the international market now give you the respect and glory where you deserve. Meaning me. I say she deserve it. See? True, you know look Spanish or close to white like Achencia them, and them still now go give it. Don't lose yourself trying to win that battle. Don't destroy dancehall morality to please your insecurities and your ego. It's not too late to cancel the show and save your integrity and your career. I love you, but you fuck up this time. Do the right thing. Message she posts and writes that she never want to be no Spanish or no white. Me never say you want to be that. Me say that's the reason why them not propel you to the top and you not no control over that. You not no control over that. And them now put you where you fit there because you're not Spanish or look white. You understand? So I don't understand it. Who know follow me for years, I want to know when me are these people. You understand? Well, I'm a black person. Yeah. So me can re-look for all of me thing them and say all of me thing them. She has said yeah, so what me I say now? Oh is this disrespect? Oh, is this tear down? She said everybody on Spice Ketchup, she said them a tear her down, right? Everybody, oh, I try to tear me down. You pay for damage my page. You team up with your friend them, make them derail my page. And who a tear down who? You go out of your way to make them disable my page. But somebody a tear you down? Footahype try to tear you down when you go as far as get your people them and you for take on my page. And in a less than 15 hours, you give me 24 hours, and in less than 15 hours the ancestors them get back the page in full effect. How is that? Who are tear down who? Me hate when people say this. Me hate when people say, you know her, why you never call her and talk to her. When she get the offer to do a show we go against with cultural values and with music and the Jamaican energy, why she never call and ask me? Call her, I seem to know her and say, in Foota, what you think about this? She know what she do. She know the backlash we are going to come. She know the consequences we are going to come. She know everything we are going to come with it. You think, say, when she take that book instead, she don't know say it going to go public, and she don't know say everybody not going to agree with it. She was prepared for that. She prepared to destroy anything when she have a career. For that, she knew what she was doing. It's not accident. You don't take a booking by accident. You don't sign a contract by accident. So it's not like a buck-up thing. Alright, I share them people are dumb. Uno say why me never call her. And me I say she could have called with two, and Uno say no, who are me if nobody's call. Then no me this over here Uno watch. If me and nobody why you not watch me over here talk about Spice? Oh, you over here watching nobody. All me I say is Spice, here we go. Me and your bridging over the years. See? And you know, like how me know, say you cannot win this one, you know. So here more you do. If you're quiet and a peaceful life, me I want you. Me I want you. Drop it here. Stop it here. Here. Stop it here. Do not let the followers them boots you up for the embarrassment. Don't do it. See? My honesty to God, admire your kids them, and I know the impact of certain things can have on people, and it don't go away. See? Once it goes in a social space, it now come back. So here, I am not the type of person, see, where you can threaten or intimidate with nothing, because you don't have nothing. I guarantee you that. Me on the other hand, I can, yo, listen me, Spice, just leave it here. It would be best if you do that. It would be best if you do that. Okay? People love say, oh, female and Ray, and may I give the benefit of the doubt. You see, may I drag my foot all long, and you talk about of things, and may I hold it. Do not push me. Do not push me. Okay? For the sake of your kids, do not push me. Alright? Big up on yourself. Enough love, enough respect. Big up.